Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound these simple action words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to open up the slashes, and that's what I am doing right now. And remember, transcribing words can actually help to improve our memories. So let's go. Close, color, cook, describe, leave, hug, no sorry, hug, and this one is hug. That's it. Let's close them up quickly so we can sound them together. All right. Close, color, cook, describe, leave, hug, hug. Close, color, cook, describe, leave, hug, hug. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.